Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create and use a project in ChatGPT. So with this project feature, you can essentially specify a custom instruction or prompt that ChatGPT must follow every time you start a conversation in that project. For example, here I have a project called YouTube description, and basically whenever I'm inserting a new topic or input or basically any text, then ChatGPT will respond back with a YouTube description based on that input. And I don't have to write the prompt every single time because again, the prompt or instruction is already embedded into this project. So let me show you how you can create a new project in ChatGPT. First, you can open the web, desktop, or maybe the mobile version of ChatGPT because this feature is available in all platforms. And by the way, this is also available if you are even using the free version of ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to create a new project by clicking this new project button. And let's say I'm going to create a project, and the task of this project is to summarize any content that I inserted into the chat. Let's call this project AI Summarizer. And also you can add some tiny icon or emoji. I think that's going to be very useful if you want to organize multiple projects. Let me use the green color with the pencil icon. Now, you can also specify if the project is able to access ChatGPT memory or if it is only, accessing content within the project only. It's really up to you. But in this case, I'll just select default. So it is able to access all the memory on my ChatGPT account. But feel free to use project only if you just want to create a more narrow project. It's really up to you. Now I'll be select default. And after that, click create project. But we are not done yet because we haven't specified the instruction for this project. Now, to add a custom instruction, you can click this three dot icon, click add instructions, and then you can insert the prompt or instruction that AI must follow for this particular project. I actually have copied the instruction, so I'll just paste the instruction right here. And basically, I just want AI to turn any content that I inserted into a concise five bullet point format. After that, click save. And by the way, if you do have a document that you want to incorporate into the project, you can click this add files button, and then you can select the documents that you want to use for the project. But in this case, that's not necessary for me, so I'm not going to use it. And now, let's say I want to just summarize this article. I'll just provide the link. And given that ChatGPT is able to access the content on the internet, this should not be a problem. Now I'm going to send a message, and later you'll see that it will read the content and will try to summarize this article or this content into a 5 bullet point format. Now it might take quite a while because it needs to access some content. There you go. So yeah, it's as simple as that, and that's the benefit of using a project feature in ChatGPT. It will save you time, it will make your life a lot easier. So that's basically how you can create a new project in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.